Hi, my name is Tate, and I am the head project manager of this project this semester. Me and my group, along with our class, were given a unique opportunity to use our skills we've learned in our class to create a one-of-a-kind prosthetic that is aimed to aid Mr. Schaefer in everyday activities. Before we continue, let me introduce you to our main 3D modeling specialist, Neil.
Hi, my name is Neil. I'm the design manager of this project that we are doing for Mr. Schaefer. And the design that we came up with was a prosthetic in the embodiment of a thumb that could morph into whatever he needed to use to help grip a certain object. So this will help him perform different tasks easier in his house or even in the workshop too, which was one of the main things that he stressed that he was having issues in because he does not have 3 of his fingers on his dominant hand. So this project and this prosthetic that we're making should ensure him a lot more help and assistance in that area. So now I'm going to turn it over to Brandon, our photographer and videographer.
I am Brandon, the videographer of our group, and I have documented the many different iterations and ideas that correspond with this prosthetic we're trying to build. It started off as a welding glove that we decided to attach a gorilla tripod leg to try to give an example to our idea of the joints, bending the joints and being able to grab stuff with the joints that help.
With this certain project, we had some ups and downs, some triumphs and successes, some failures, some defeats, but through it all, I think we realized that the process was the most valuable, which I'm going to be showcasing next year. But through it all, we were able to create a thumb that can bend, which is our main objective, therefore the Bendy Thumb. This project helped us experience a sense of creativity, and I think that we personally learned a lot as a group just in the aspect of custom designing everything for him, so it would better fit Mr. Schaefer's needs. But I think that the part was most significant of all was that the group just had to undertake this new sense of responsibility for this project to help make Mr. Schaefer's life better in any way that we could with this assistive device.